Good morning, happy October, I don't know, Saturday, October something. Starlink. This is only my second Starlink I've ever seen in person, and the first one we're going to install up there on the roof behind me there. I hope to be around a little bit later this afternoon so you guys can see it. I don't know, well, first off, what is Starlink? Starlink is a satellite dish that goes boo and sends a signal up to ET up there, and then boo right back home to me. A soon-to-be happy YouTuber, I cannot wait. I live about 15 miles that way out in the county, and there is broadband, they say, but it's really not broadband. It is about a 2 to 4 megabit a second upload, which is just mind-blowingly horrible. That's why when I shoot some big files, I try to go to my sister's in town that has fiber optics, and it's just, oh my gosh, upload it, it's sweet. Nothing worse than putting together a video, seen anywhere from like, I don't know, 8 to 10, 15 gigs, some bigger ones 20 to 25 gig, and it is just, I hate it. I hate watching it. You're not counting percentage upload, you're typically watching the 0.0, sometimes 0.0 uploads. It's just, oh my God, set it, forget it, come back a day or two later, and hopefully it's uploaded. So, yeah, I believe this is the newer model. It's only the second one I've ever seen. This is some sort of just standard triangle tripod. I don't know, the homeowner said he's got another bracket for it for the roof, which we'll be installing somewhere up here a little bit later. The dish, I don't know if it has motors in there and moves. I don't know if the satellites are like geosynchronous or whatever the term is, if they're locked above and it's just constantly beaming there. I don't know if it turns and changes direction. I have no idea, but I know it's going to be fast, low latency, and I'll be a happy YouTuber to bring you guys a little more content, a little quicker. Just render the file, send it up. If you're a roofer and you've installed any of these, let me know down below what kind of, as long as I can get this part right here apart, I'm sure I could find something to fit it. I don't know. I believe this is the newer one, cheaper to manufacture, easier to manufacture and get on the market. They will be available in my area, like I said, 15 miles or so that way, in Q4, which is here really soon. I cannot wait. But it is available here. We're going to try to install it for you guys later. Let me know if you like it. Elon Musk, thank you. Thank you for creating it. I cannot wait to see this. Just sending data super fast, getting the YouTube videos out for you. Yeah, we had 3 inches of rain move through. We're excited to get back today to get going and get as much done as we can before the cold weather and the snow starts flying in this area. I'm tickled to death about this. I cannot wait to get it. I check it a couple times a week and it's just not available in my area yet. Oh, it's coming, it's getting close. Satellite dishes though, I saw this, and when I talked to the homeowner here, there was like a handful of satellite dishes. Nothing worse than going up to a house and seeing not just one satellite dish, but 2 or 3, or countless brackets just lined up. Like, satellite techs, come on. Let's not just be lazy and throw a bracket right next to an old bracket that's in a line on a brand new roof and screw through with screws. Just put it on a fascia board, put it on a pole. Homeowners, don't let a tech screw a satellite dish right through your roof, especially if there's better ways of doing it. You've installed Starlink dishes, what kind of dish they are, the brackets anyways. It's locked up, I can't see it. So yeah, the only other thing that comes to mind looking at this is Elon Musk. You know, God, why do you got to crash markets to benefit your little one? Makes it very volatile and make some good money, but you got to be able to catch it. Like Saturday Night Live back in May, man, you sure crashed Doji, didn't you? Anyway, oh wow, I'm excited. It's a beautiful day today. I can't wait. I got a handful of estimates to get to, so I hope I can make it back and put this on up here. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you like the channel, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. And until next time, be safe, and we'll see you on the next one.